even in the judgments you have had from the Supreme Court, never before have we had a Supreme Court now being asked to define the roles of the chairman of the IEBC as well as the other commissioners. And you were talking about jurisprudence earlier. Probably talk about the outcome of this election and how it will shape jurisprudence in future.
Thank you. The last petitions we heard of were dealing with electoral issues. Sadly, for these 2022 election petitions, we are faced with a situation where we have to deal with the conduct and management of an independent constitutional commission, which one would have expected that it would carry its mandate as a commission. But when we are being treated to a divided commission that is projecting results which are discordant, we are then now faced with a new issue, an unprecedented issue of the Supreme Court having to decide whether the results that have been announced were results of a commission or results of a commissioner. Whether a commissioner has a locus standi to announce unilateral results.
This time the chairperson of the commission.
Yes, the returning officer, because remember that the elections are conducted by the Independent Electoral Commission. And a commission is a commission, a chair and its commissioners. We have been treated to, I don't want to call it drama, it is a theater of the most absurd that we are having the majority members of a commission disowning a result, and then a chairman of that so-called commission, because it was not conducting itself as a commission, now purporting to issue a result.